Let's begin by understanding what a state machine is. State machine is a programming model for code that can be defined by distinct states and transitions. States are unique configurations in the program. Transitions are how the program changes from one state to another state. State machine can be designed using a state diagram, which is a visual representation of the state machine. Let's look at the basic structure of a state machine. You'll notice that a state machine has a while loop, a case structure, an enum, and a shift register. These four components make up the basic structure of a state machine. Now let's understand why we'd want to use a state machine. State machines facilitate changing program code quickly and easily. State machines dynamically control the flow of data. And state machines can be easily adapted to new states and transitions when necessary. Now let's look at an example. Let's model a vending machine. The vending machine accepts only nickels. The vending machine does not give change, and the vending machine dispenses product when 15 cents is deposited. If we look at this state machine, we'll notice that there's four distinct states: start, 5 cent, 10 cent, and a dispense state. From each state there's two transitions. From the start state, if a nickel is inserted, there's a transition from the start state to the 5 cent state. If nothing is inserted, there's no change in the current state, so there's no transition. From the 5 cent state, if a nickel is inserted, there's a transition from the 5 cent state to the 10 cent state. And if nothing is inserted, there's no change in the current state. From the 10 cent state, if a nickel is inserted, there's a transition from the 10 cent state to the dispense state. And if nothing is inserted, there is no change.